How to create a watch list on Finviz. Follow my instructions. In this video, we'll show you how to create a watch list on Finviz. First, go to finviz.com and log into your account. Next, click on the Groups tab or directly use the search bar to find the tickers you want to track. You can also go to the Screener tab and apply filters to find potential stocks. Once you find a stock you want to add to your watch list, click on the ticker to open its detailed page. On the stock page, look at the top right. You'll see a small plus icon or an Add to Portfolio link. Click on it. If you're a Finviz Elite user, you'll be able to name your watch list and save multiple lists. Free users can save a basic list, but it's limited. To view your saved watch list, go to the Portfolio tab from the top menu. Here you'll see the stocks you've added. This is how you can quickly build and manage a watch list using Finviz. Keeping an updated watch list helps you stay organized, react faster, and never miss a great trade opportunity. This is how you can quickly build and manage a watch list using Finviz. Thanks for watching.